Use a penny, a penny.
I'll try a penny. Okay, and I'm just gonna really know about
a nickel.
I'll try another dime. We'll try another dime. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yay!
okay. Oh, nickels? Alright, nickels are good. Nickel. Ooh, that holds 4. We got 4. Okay, and a quarter. Oh.
You throw it
You did throw it. The one was on the water.
She purposely did
Let's take
that.
all this
What?
off.
She purposely did that.
I don't know.
Yeah, don't
Doesn't
throw away
look
the
like
money.
a
Okay,
fair
so
experiment.
how many?
Plenty of, like, I'm not gonna run out. I'll have plenty for my bottom later. All right, so I wanna put it here. Now notice, now am I dealing with the perforations? If I lay it like that? No, controlled the amount of paper, and I've controlled the force holding the paper. Instead of some kids holding it really tight and some kids holding it soft and nobody holding it at all, now I've got the same exact force. So if I were to do it with a second hand, could I? Could I replicate that variable? Yes, I can make that a constant, right? So I'm gonna actually, while I'm doing this, I'm actually gonna have Julia and whoever she's with. Doing it yourself doesn't necessarily mean you're by yourself.
Nice
Okay.
job, girls.
So, and we're using the angel soft. Now,
25.
We have 35.
okay, so the one thing I noticed, those of you over here, did you notice the difference?
They piled them.
They piled them in a round pile where you guys stacked them straight up. So what should we do if we're doing this experiment? We should probably say, wait, our results aren't the same because we didn't pile them the same way. So there's another variable, right, that we have to make constant.
How are you going to measure it?
So, guys, let's explain the data.
Homemade slime or store-bought slime is the stretchiest, okay? Notice when they talked about that, they're comparing two things. Remember that word same you heard in the video? Because everything in your experiment has to be the same except for one thing, which is called the, who knows that word? Who remembers it?
Girls, what are you working on here today? Science Day.
Fair ideas.
Science fair ideas. How are you coming up with science fair ideas?
Good.
Yeah? What are you doing to figure out science fair ideas?
Seeing what I like and if I can compare them.
Okay, so you're looking at a big list of stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, what if you don't want to pick something on that list? What are you going to do? Come up with some other ideas too? I'm here with Peter. We just got done going through the 3 rotations to prepare for the science fair and learn all about it. And so he has just finished with Mrs. Wismer and has spent some time generating a possible idea for his science fair project. So Peter, what do you think you might
I was gonna do the different lengths between the Nerf gun Raptor Strike and the Nerf crossbow.
Okay, so what's the variable that you're changing in this experiment?
The guns.
Okay, the 2 different Nerf guns, but everything else will be the same as far as the distance of the targets and things like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you gonna just test it like one shot? Or are you gonna do, like, how many times do you think you should test each Nerf gun?
I was thinking each 6 shots,
Okay,
since one magazine of my Raptor Strike holds 6 darts.
okay, cool. So you're gonna collect a lot of data and gather all that information. Very
Yes.
cool. All right, so we talked all about that, where we want to collect a lot of data and make sure that we're only changing one variable and that everything else is held at a constant for these science experiments. So nice job. Cool. I'm excited to see what it turns out to look like.